के साथ, मीरा के साथ, बट वो एक्ट्रेस नहीं है।
तो आप भी कवर कर लेना इनके साथ।
I guess this is the best looking cover I have ever done with a heroine as well. I'm just glad that Alia noticed me on the left of her, because usually when she's taking pictures she sees nobody but herself. So it was nice that I got noticed by you. I'm very, very touched by that. Filmfare has been very kind to me in the last year. I fortunately won the Best Actor award, and I got it from Mr. Bachchan, which was a moment that I'll always cherish. So thank you Filmfare for that. Thank you Jitesh for that, giving me that moment. It really will be something that will stay with me for a long time, because actually I didn't know that Mr. Bachchan is there at that point in time. I mean, yeah, he wasn't there in the audience at all, so it was a big surprise for me. We're very excited about this film, Shandar. We're very happy to be here to launch the Filmfare cover. Both me and Alia actually really love the cover, and Filmfare has been very kind to the film and to us and to everything. And so thank you Filmfare, and thank you Jitesh. What is it that you want us to do next?
We'd like you to launch the cover. Is that what you're doing right now?
Yes. Can you raise the volume on this mic, please? I'm going to start eating. Yeah. Thank you so much. Yes. Thank you.
Thank you, all of you. But first, I want to know from Alia, because she said it's her best. You've shot with Varun for Filmfare. You've shot with Arjun, and you've shot with Siddharth. So why?
I've with Varun and Sid. I've shot with Varun and I've shot with Arjun.
And so why is this cover with?
Personally, I believe that this is the best shot that I've gotten. I mean, every cover has a different thing, but personally, I'm not going to like every picture of mine, and I like this picture of ours the most. And this shoot, in fact, just the way, even the inside pictures, not ones that I feel like we were posing for the camera. And I also feel like that credit also goes to the very lovely photographer.
So Shahril, how does it feel shooting for your end Filmfare cover?
For my end Filmfare, I heard my end Filmfare cover. Subtle message I thought. No, it's awesome, and I agree with Alia. The fact that whenever we kind of do something together, it seems to kind of have a good vibe, and I think we did this very spontaneously. This cover, we actually. कोई अच्छे सवाल पूछ रहे तो हम बकवास करने वाले हैं. हमारी पिक्चर का रिलीज हो रही, दिमाग चल नहीं रहा है.
Let me ask Vikas a question. So after Queen, is it like, are you daunted about the fact that you have a film releasing tomorrow and all of that? Are you nervous? What do you feel like?
Yeah, I don't know what to do with myself actually. So I woke up in my mind, wherever these two are going, next studios, I just tag along. So I got to know they're coming there, मैं पूछ की तरह से But no, I really enjoy making Queen, really enjoy making Shandar, and like a school teacher. And I think the best part of making a film is making it and releasing it. So the best part is done, and now rest will follow. When everyone watches and tells.
Are you nervous? Are you nervous when coming the wake of Queen?
That would be an understatement.
Finally, it's coming on cross. So are you nervous? पूरा हाथों से चलने वाला है पूरा आपका
हाँ, पर हमारा काम खत्म हो गया. अब आप लोग नर्वस ही जाइए थिएटर के अंदर और देखिए आपको कितना मजा आता है. But we had a really good time making it, and I think that's the best part of the reason why we are in this business. We had a great 1 year, because when you make a movie, the Thursday or Friday is as important as the 1 year that you spent making it. So I think this 1 year, I'm so glad I gave this 1 year of my life to this movie, and I really hope that it shows good results by the end of it.
Yeah, you want
I'm very nervous. I'm very excited. I'm enthusiastic. I want to see the audience's reaction. अरे माइक का वॉल्यूम कम क्यों किया? बहुत अच्छा था लाउड. कम क्यों किया? बहुत अच्छा. So yeah, I'm excited. I'm more excited, and it's good excitement. Like I have butterflies, but I'm always like this during release. So fingers crossed.
I'm happy. That's all I have to say. माइक थोड़ा पास ले ले, माइक को सुने ले, और पास ले ले थोड़ा.
और सर यूफोरिया आ कहाँ से रहा है वो बता दो.
यूफोरिया कहाँ से आ रहा है? There's something called adrenaline. Just before something big is going to happen, you feel adrenaline, and that usually makes you feel euphoric, which is why I'm feeling happy.
Sir, yesterday you met your sister, so she said कि शाहिद हमें एक word of wisdom दिया है before getting it.
एक ही वर्ड दिया? 34 साल में एक ही वर्ड? हाँ, क्या बोला उसने?
She said कि be very honest with media, be very honest with your director, be very honest with everyone. So apart that, there's something more to the.
So this is what I told her.
Yes, sir.
I was being very dishonest when I told her this.
So Alia, you shot for a filmfare cover with Shahid, your co-star, Arjun, and you mentioned Varun. How about your co-star Fawad Khan from Kapoor and Sons? I know you're looking forward to a cover like that one too. How about you, Jitesh? Your thoughts on this one?
You're asking me how is he?
No. I mean, are you looking forward to a cover with Fawad?
Of course, I think he's very photogenic and he's very good looking, and all the women are crazy about him, and he looks very good in everything that he wears. So why not?
How about you, Jitesh? Do you see that happening?
Why not asking me if I want to do a cover with Fawad? He's so good looking, and if everybody wants him, then we should use that, yeah, to our benefit. Make a Shandar. किसके साथ? मीरा के साथ. बट वो एक्ट्रेस नहीं है.
तो आप भी कवर कर लेना इनके साथ.
I am happy to put that down.
Alia, I have a
Yes.
question here.
Yeah.
Talking about Fawad, you're going to do a film with him in the future. What do you have to say about the Shiv Sena targeting Fawad? Like Pakistani actors not promoting their films in Maharashtra.
You know, right now we are. This is not the platform, and there's so much conflict happening right now. Me saying anything to add more conflict. So please let's refrain from
At
asking
least
any
something
of
a
the
little
questions.
take off.
No, babe, this is not the podium. It's not the podium to talk about that.
Thank you so much.
आलिया आज ही हमने मॉर्निंग में सोशल नेटवर्क मीडिया पे आपकी पिक्चर
आपका माइक गर्दन पे है. हाँ.
शाहिद एंड मीरा मैडम की हमने पिक्चर देखी, सेल्फी पिक्चर, शानदार सेल्फी पिक्चर देखी.
उसमें विकास सर भी थे.
हाँ, उनकी
ये विकास सर का करेक्ट उंगली उठाओ बेटा.
उनका उंगली हमारे 3 फेस. हाँ, अब कुछ
तो कैसा रहा एक्सपीरियंस?
एक्सपीरियंस कैसा रहा सेल्फी का?
Experience क्या मतलब?
बहुत ही डिफिकल्ट सा मोमेंट था मेरे लिए सेल्फी लेना. मुझे बहुत ही सेल्फी मोमेंट था. मुझे पता नहीं था कि क्या गुजर रहा था मेरे दिमाग में. मैं बहुत नर्वस थी. मुझे ऐसे लग रहा था कि अभी क्या होने वाला है. तो आई एम वेरी हैप्पी दैट शायद यू हेल्प मी थ्रू इट.
लेकिन सेल्फी के एंगल में आलिया हमेशा सेल्फीज होती है. उनको करेक्ट एंगल चाहिए होता है. लाइट बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट होती है. अप्रूवल चाहिए होता है उनको लाइट का. और बहुत जद्दोजहद और मेहनत के बाद हमने वो मोमेंट अचीव किया, और उस मोमेंट में हमें शानदार महसूस हुआ.
शानदार सवाल.
Yeah.
One last question.
Your next
Yeah.
question.
So, like you've heard, like Pakistani actors are being banned. They're being banned over here. They're not getting the chance to act. So, what is your take on it?
I've already given the answer. Are you?
No, just like if
You know my answer. I definitely have an opinion. I'm not going to deny that I have an opinion.
So just the
But
opinion.
no, I don't feel like this is the podium to discuss that right now. And let's refrain from discussing
Like
that.
if you were in that place, that is what I wanted to ask.
I don't think this is the right podium.
That's what
This
she's
is a
trying to
filmfare
say.
launch cover.
Alright,
Shai. You have been always been saying that Meera is not an actress, Meera is not an actress. When you have been asked that Vikram Aditya Motwani has been approaching Meera to act opposite you in AK versus SK, but still the answer has not been updated.
If you have questions about Shandar, I'd be happy to answer. If you don't have questions about Shandar, okay, bye.
Thank you guys so much. Before we end, one last question to both Shahid and Alia. Shahid, you've been, I've been told you've been to the store before. If you can tell us both, this question is for Shahid and Alia. How do you all, I mean, what is the best techno gadget that you guys associate yourselves with? I'm sure in this day and age where everyone's technologically savvy, what do you guys do to keep yourselves technologically up to date?
I just listen to Shahid's great banging music on his great banging headphones. That's it. My source to technology is Shahid Kapoor and his music.
Shahid, would those headphones be your go-to gadget right now?
Actually, the most superior technology that I met in my life is Alia Bhatt, because she has information about everything. If there was anything, any name that the internet should have, it should actually be Alia, because she has information about everything. Yes, so Alia Bhatt is the technology that I enjoy the most.
Thank you.